Okay, I'll show you the progress for today. We've got trim starting from the back up towards the front. I had to stop because I want to dress this little alumiform patch there. And from the back, seems to be holding its form nicely. The heat has gotten pretty bad, so we're calling it a day. So catch up with you tomorrow. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. As you can see, I've trimmed the aluminum off at the spar location, and our patch is creating a hump. That's probably not the only problem, but here we're relatively flat. We get over here, we've got a hump that's almost a half an inch. It carries on. We get down to this spar location, we're pretty good shape there. So what I'm going to have to do, and what I hate to do, is open this section up and facilitate a repair. Okay, well, I got the panel in today, so put the breakers together. It's a bit of overkill, but my two choices were either this 100 amp panel or the little 2-circuit, 4-circuit mini 30 amp panel, and I really needed 5 circuits, which I had 4 circuits on the other, but I didn't have a 30 amp breaker. Finding a 30-20 duplex breaker is pretty hard to find these days in that older style. So we went with for the main here, we've got a 20 amp for a generator. We've got a 20 amp for the air conditioner. We've got a 20 amp for the refrigerator and outlets and back. And we've got a 20 amp for the battery charger and inverter in the tongue box. So that should pretty well cover all the power needs. Now the green grounding screw is just stuck in there in the neutral bar for safekeeping. That will be removed and a ground bar will be installed. And then we will be jumpering the two mains together for a 30 amp feed on, or a 30 amp back to the supply box on the post. It'll all be single phase, 120 volt. So that's what we have in the way of electrical for now. Makes a nice little package, not little, but that's what we'll be using. Okay, so here's the opened up front of the Teardrop. Now we'll have to level it all out, put the Baltic birch back on, seal the edges, and then start with the aluminum process again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put your shirt size in the comments so you can be one of the 25 remaining to get a chance at winning the t-shirt with free shipping in the continental United States. Well, the lower 48, unless you want to pay shipping for anything exceeding $7. It looks like I'm going to be buying some more parts. Well, thanks for watching.